So look, here's the thing. I've been knocking around the world of data storage for a long time. Indeed, just in the sake of NAS, I've been around in the world of NAS for about 10 to 15 years at this point, and I've seen a lot of things. But of all the things that I have seen in the last few years, the fact that Xiaomi, or Exomi as I called them many years ago in my foolishness, Xiaomi are launching a new 2-bay AI-assisted NAS system for Kickstarter. I didn't think I'd ever say that sentence here on the channel, but that is indeed a thing. Right now, on crowdfunding, you can get hold of a quad-core, ARM-powered, 4GB LPDDR5, 2.5 gig ready, pre-populated NAS solution that's turnkey with apps and services, AI photo recognition, backup tools, mobile backup, WeChat backup, and more. Hell, the thing arrives with Apple Time Machine support of the file system, BTRFS, even Samba SMB is ready to go. It even features a dynamic RAID system there. So unlike most 2-bays that are going to be restricted to utilising RAID 0 or RAID 1, this takes advantage of something like that UTR system the UnifyDrive system had, where you could select individual areas of your folder structure and those created a dynamic drive-to-drive backup, therefore freeing up a lot more space on the secondary drive in a way that RAID 1 has a tendency to occupy 100% of the second drive. There's even HDMI output thanks to that Realtek RTD1619B, the same CPU Synology uses, but by distinction, this device arrives with utility of the integrated graphics, the Mali graphics on board that processor, combined with a dedicated application with metadata scraping to enjoy your multimedia from the comfort of your sofa with all of the trailers, the thumbnails and more. All of these are features and services that you can get on most NAS devices these days, but the difference is, this is a brand like Xiaomi who I would have expected to just roll out some basic 2-bay with light file folder and then walk away. This is genuinely impressive. And a surveillance software tool as well that supports their cameras and third parties for a frankly insane amount of money. The 4TB model at $340, the 8TB model at $428, and the 16TB model at $519. All of this kind of made my brain itch. In a world right now where network attached storage is increasingly becoming more accessible, I just didn't think Xiaomi would be the brand, the people that made the fitness trackers. But you think about it, they've gone into lawn mowers, they've gone into home and kitchen appliances, they've gone into frigging sports cars. Indeed, some of their electric vehicles are going to be landing in Europe in 2027. This is a brand that has seemingly done it all, at least in China, and now them rocking out into the world of NAS is intriguing and interesting as all hell to me, because right now this bottom rung of the storage market has suddenly exploded. For the longest time, the entry level was your WD My Clouds. It was your budget J series, value series and more. And as a lot more of the established players with their size and weight are finding it very difficult to facilitate and still support the entry-level tier, so many more Chinese players have come in to fill that void. And the idea that there is going to be a Xiaomi 2-bay, and the fact that it will definitely make its way into Europe, although it'll be interesting to see if it makes its way into the US, is really intriguing to me when so many brands that I speak to have told me off the record and in the background that they've gone, no, there's no point facilitating that area of the market, it's game over. I love the idea there's going to be more entry-level options. Now, if I can, I'm definitely going to get hold of one of these for the channel. If not just for the sheer morbid curiosity, then just to see the sodding build quality. I don't think it's going to be bad. I'm just kind of staggered at some of that pricing, including the storage, even including a 32 gig eMMC flash drive for the operating system, is too cheap. It's absurdly cheap. If you are in China and you have backed to this crowdfunding campaign, please let me know in the comments and maybe add another one and I'll send you the money. But Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think about this, because I'm intrigued beyond measure, and I do want to know if it's worth getting hold of one for the channel, because if no one cares, I won't bother, but I care, so I might just get one for me and not show anyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.